blood vessel is popping out. It's probably gonna burst from this. This is absolutely ridiculous. Water every day. Gonna pick. Okay. Oh my God. My allergies are awful today. I'm gonna hand wash all these, which I don't want to do, but
Stop it, okay? Enough!
sit, Olivia, sit. Stop angling yourself.
I don't think I've ever filmed myself sneezing. There you go.
Sit.
God bless me.
Sit.
That's good.
She looks just like a dream. She looks just like a dream.
Tá, poxa. Você me odeia, moça? Tô mordendo a minha própria língua e tu quer que eu coma alho? Meu Deus, pior você que eu coloco no meu nariz.
Hey guys, so this is gonna be my new like lifestyle channel where okay.
Oh my gosh, what is the secret? What's the secret of sneezing and not wetting your pants when you're older? This is ridiculous. I hate getting old. Apparently I need some Depends, so send me your best recommendations because when I sneeze, who else is with me? Do you wet your pants when you sneeze too? This getting old stuff is for the birds. I do not like it.